Repeat these affirmations inwardly or aloud, allowing them to settle deeply through spirit, mind, and body. I return to order. I settle into balance. I release unnecessary tension and resistance. My inner world becomes calm and structured. Order restores peace within me. Alignment replaces strain. My thoughts organize naturally. Clarity replaces confusion. I discern what matters and release what does not. My mind aligns with truth and reason. I think clearly. I decide calmly. I act deliberately. I align with eternal truth. I move in harmony with natural law and right order. I trust the structure that sustains life. I am supported by timeless principles. I do not rush the process. I honor proper timing. My path becomes clear. My priorities arrange themselves correctly. I know when to act and when to wait. Right action unfolds naturally. I walk my path with steadiness and confidence. My direction is sound. My body settles into balance. My mind rests in coherence. My spirit abides in order. I am unified within myself. There is no inner division. I am properly aligned. I live in alignment with eternal order. I return to balance whenever I drift. My life unfolds with stability and purpose. I am centered. I am aligned. I am at peace.